Hello everybody. I hope each one of you is fine and doing good in your studies. So let us talk about Quant today. How to boost our speed in Quant. So for Quant, I took offline classes from Anjan sir at Mahindra's Institute. And yes, I learned a lot from him, all the basic concepts and tricks. And yes, he is the best faculty for Quant. His way of explaining quant is really unique, and now due to covid his online classes are also trending on Mahindra's official YouTube channel. So if you want, you can go and check there. So now if we talk about beginners, then what should they do? So first of all, they need to learn square of first 50 numbers and make sure you learn a method to quickly find a square of any number. Coming to the next point, cube of first 30 numbers, and also learn a quick way to find cube of any number. And also learn tables up to 25 to 30. And after that, learn a quick method to convert fraction into percentage and percentage into fraction. For example, 12.5% should also be visible to you as 1 by 8, and 25% as 1 by 4, and 20% as 1 by 5, and so on. And learn the quickest way to convert all these percentage into fraction form and fractional form into percentage. And yes, it will save your time, and it will help you in simplification, approximation, as well as in DIs. And after that, daily form a habit of practicing 10 quadratic equations and 5 exam level DIs, 50 simplification, and 10 number series, like 10 number series from wrong number series and 10 missing number series. And some miscellaneous topics which are very common for prelims examination, like time and work, ratio, proportion, percentage, age, and partnership, and so on. So for that, find a teacher of your comfort and learn all the concept related to miscellaneous topics, and then practice by giving mocks, attending quizzes and mini mocks. And yes, all the tricks are waste if you don't practice those tricks number of times. So practice those tricks. After that, some common topics like probability, permutation, and combination. So learn the basics of these topics and then learn the tricks, and after that attempt the questions. And once you give any test, then analyze that test very carefully and make sure you are able to solve the questions in the next time which you did it wrong or couldn't attempt. So solve those questions at least 5 to 10 times of that type of question which in which you were not comfortable with. And for mensuration part, make sure all the formulas is on your fingertips, because for mensuration we don't need any tricks and all. So just we will have to learn formulas. So for that, some shapes are common, like a square, circle, triangle, rectangles for in 2D figures, and for 3D, cube, cuboid, sphere, and hemisphere, and on. And you can also adopt reverse learning approach, but make sure rule is the same. Next time if you face that type of question, then you must able to solve it. After that, clear your basics on some topics for mains, especially like profit and loss, assign CI, partnership, time and distance, boat and stream, age, and pipe and cistern, because these are very common topics for mains level DI. And if you analyze previous year's papers, then mostly questions revolve around these topics only. So you better spend some good amount of time on these topics. And I say practice is the key and rule is same, कि एक बार जो मैंने क्वेश्चन गलत कर दिया और नहीं कर पाया, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वो क्वेश्चन कभी गलत नहीं होगा. सो फॉलो दिस रूल. And yes, who are asking about resources, first take out the syllabus, then learn concept and solve questions. And you can also google the questions of simplification, approximation, series, quadratic equation. And yes, you can watch the YouTube sessions, and by attending quizzes and mini mocks you will get all type of questions, especially for prelims level. So you need only practice. If you talk about some best teachers and resources, then I told you Anjan sir. So visit Mahindra's official YouTube channel and watch Anjan sir classes. His playlist is available there. And for mains level DI, you can follow Ankush Lamba sir on an Academy Plus. And for arithmetic, Ashish Arora sir. And for mains level DI practice, just purchase some good quality mock tests like Olive Wood practice mock, and Adda also. So from there you can submit the test and practice mains level questions. And that's all about Quant from my side. If you still have any query and doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you all for keep supporting and keep sharing this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all.